Welcome to our video on the top AI tools for the Internet of Things. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming IoT and highlight some of the top AI tools you can use for your own IoT projects. Before we move forward, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Let's begin. Overview of AI tools for the Internet of Things. There are many AI tools that can be used for IoT, including machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Let's take a closer look at some of the top AI tools for IoT. AI tools for data analytics in IoT. Data analytics is a critical component of IoT, and AI can help to make sense of the vast amounts of data generated by IoT devices. Some of the top AI tools for data analytics in IoT include IBM Watson, Google Cloud AutoML, and Azure Machine Learning Studio. AI tools for predictive maintenance in IoT. Predictive maintenance is another important use case for AI in IoT, as it can help to prevent equipment failures and reduce downtime. Some of the top AI tools for predictive maintenance in IoT include Predix, ThingWorx, and C3 Predictive Maintenance. AI tools for security in IoT. Security is a major concern in IoT, and AI can help to detect and prevent security threats. Some of the top AI tools for security in IoT include Symantec IoT Security, Cisco IoT Threat Defence, and Microsoft Azure Sphere. AI tools for predictive analytics in IoT. Predictive analytics is the use of statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. This can be applied to IoT to predict device failure, energy usage, and more. Some of the top AI tools for predictive analytics in IoT include TensorFlow, RapidMiner, and H2O.ai. AI tools for edge computing in IoT. Edge computing is the practice of processing data locally on IoT devices or gateways instead of sending it to a centralized cloud server. This can reduce latency and improve reliability. Some of the top AI tools for edge computing in IoT include AWS IoT Greengrass, Azure IoT Edge, and Google Cloud IoT Edge. Conclusion: AI is transforming IoT in many ways, and these top AI tools can help you to take advantage of this transformation. Whether you're interested in data analytics, predictive maintenance, or security, there's an AI tool out there that can help. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're a business owner looking to leverage the power of AI and IoT, reach out to us today to learn more about our service.